Hello, Namaskar. Well, I hope most of us doing well. I know the current situation is not very nice, what is happening in the current world, but we should be thankful to our God that we're still alive and we get food on time and we are still healthy. But the current situation is not very nice. What is happening in the current world, what is happening in our countries, what we only can do, we only can pray to the God, and we only can help how much we can each other to survive. Myself, I'm from a hotel industry, so I understand that it is very difficult, and the time is very crucial for our colleagues, for our friends, those who are working in this industry. But we should not lose our faith. We should not give up. We should not get panic in this moment. We try and do how much we can, rework in our ideas. I have started learning a lot of things apart from my job and responsibilities, that we wanted to do a lot of things but we couldn't do that. We always used to give the excuse that okay, I don't get time to do that, and I don't get time to learn these things, and I don't get time to speak to my parents, to speak to my friends, spend time with my families and friends and my beloved ones. But again, this is the time and this is opportunity for us, for everyone. This is a big opportunity in our career, in our life, that which we I don't think that this will come back again, that this kind of time will come back again, and everybody pray that the situation will never come back like this. Take it as an opportunity, try to gain some knowledge and try to do some productivity, try to boost your knowledge by reading books, wherever you think that you can gain your knowledge, and you can do such nice things, such good things which you couldn't do that before 3 or 4 or 5 months. I always take this time as an opportunity. I tend to learn a lot of things, and which can add in my portfolios. But again, like I said, the most affected industries of COVID-19, which is hotel industry and airlines industry. Well, the job market is very bad at the moment from past months. So the good news here in Dubai, the current situation is the government is tackling very well, and they are doing really well and really good work to come back very strongly, and which will definitely affect the economy to boost again. Dubai has decided to open an international border where people can travel, people can go out and come in to explore Dubai or to explore the other countries. For the job, my friends and my colleagues, if they know me, if I know them, I know a lot of people those who lost their job, and they are suffering, and I know those who are coming out and living in other countries, and leaving their home behind the countries and come out to other countries to earn money, to earn some money, and where they can support their families. It's very difficult time for them, it's very difficult time for everybody, those who lost their job, I understand. But like I said, take this time as an opportunity, that where you can enhance your skills. I know that market is very tough, and the job market is very much tough. But yes, some of the hotels, some of the restaurants, they're opening up, they are started recruiting some peoples. So be active in LinkedIn. Those who are in this hospitality industry, hotel industry, airlines industry, be active in LinkedIn and job portals. A lot of companies, they started opening the vacancies and started putting in the LinkedIn and on their website. So I would recommend you guys to be connected and be active in LinkedIn. Sitting at home, this is for everyone. That do not lose your hope, do not be panic, and always do the good thing, always do the right thing, and take this time as an opportunity to enhance your skills. And I'm sure that when you come back, when the times come back, this thing is not going to last for longer. This thing is not going to last forever. Definitely the time will come back where we all will start working soon, and we will do very well. And this time which you spend this time, and if you spend this time to enhance your skill, when the time will come back, when you come back to work, that will definitely help you. So this is what I am doing at the moment. I'm trying to focus on my skills. I'm doing a lot of trainings, online trainings, and I'm trying to learn a lot of things which I used to think before that okay, I need these all things. I would definitely love to help the people, those who want to get job sharing or job applying. Please get in touch with me in LinkedIn. Just search by my name, Mohammed Safad. You will definitely find me. I would say take care all, stay safe. Thank you very much.